In this video, I'll show you how to download and play Forza Horizon 4 and 5 on your PC. There are two ways to get Forza Horizon 4 and 5. For the first method, open your web browser and search for Steam. Open the official Steam website and download the Steam client if you don't already have it installed. After installing Steam, sign into your account and use the search bar to look for Forza Horizon 4 and 5. Open the game's store page. You'll see the Standard, Deluxe, and Ultimate editions. Choose the edition you want, complete the purchase, and then install the game from your Steam library. For the second method, open the Microsoft Store on your PC and search for Forza Horizon 4 and 5. If a free demo version is available in your region, open its page and click Get to download it. Once the download is complete, you can launch the demo and start playing. And that's how you can download and play Forza Horizon 4 and 5 on your PC.